Welcome to the Beaver's Balance. If you watch the water's edge closely, you might spot our guide, the wise math Shiva. You'll also find Birch the beaver hard at work, carefully stacking and balancing his bundles of river reeds. If Birch ties up 10 reeds, that bundle contains 10 reeds. The weight of his haul remains the same regardless of how he ties the string. Rearranging these bundles into a new shape makes it easier to see how each small bundle contributes to the final total. This card displays our target for today, standard 7.EE.A.2, which focuses on rewriting expressions. Rewriting an expression highlights a specific relationship within the numbers, without changing the actual quantity Birch is carrying. Let's look at a common calculation, finding the total cost of an item that includes a 5% tax. Birch has a large base price bundle and a tiny tax bundle. He slides them together on the scale into a single package. This card shows the expression for the two pieces, the original price, P, plus the tax, 0.05p. We combine like terms. 1p plus 0.05p equals 1.05p. That new decimal translates directly to a percentage, 105%. By combining those addition terms, we can see that the total cost is exactly 105% of the original price. Next, suppose we have a mixed quantity of items that needs to be distributed evenly. Birch takes the messy pile of reeds, splits it right down the middle, and neatly ties off two perfectly identical packs. This card shows the original pile, 2w plus 6. We reorganize by factoring out a common multiple, pulling the 2 out front. That outside 2 shows how many identical groups we have. Inside the parentheses is what goes into each group, w plus 3. Factoring the expression confirms the pile is made of two identical groups, which is why Birch can split the total into two equal sides. Now consider a situation where a value is reduced, like an item on sale with a 20% discount. Birch takes a full-sized bundle, gnaws off a piece, and pulls it away. The remaining portion stays entirely on the balance. This card displays the subtraction. A full bundle, D, minus the discounted portion, 0.2D. Taking that decimal away from the whole unit, 1D minus 0.2D, leaves 0.8D. That remaining decimal is the leftover percentage, 80%. This subtraction shows the exact portion of the original price you still have to pay, 80%. On this final part, we see the three mathematical forms we arrived at during those examples. In every case, changing the form of the equation makes the story of the numbers easier to follow. The wise math Sheba rises and trots away down the stream, leaving us to practice the concept on our own. Look at the expression on this card, representing a 10% addition. Try to determine the combined form. The terms combine into 1.1c, meaning the total is 110% of the original. When you work with expressions, choose the form that describes the relationship most clearly.